Introducing the ASUS TUF Gaming Z590-PLUS Motherboard, which takes all the essential elements of the latest Intel processors and combines them with game-ready features and proven durability. Engineered with military-grade components, an upgraded power solution and a comprehensive cooling system, this motherboard offers rock-solid, stable performance for marathon gaming. Aesthetically, TUF Gaming Z590-PLUS sports the new TUF Gaming logo and incorporates simple geometric design elements to reflect the dependability and stability that defines the TUF Gaming series. The ASUS TUF Gaming Z590-PLUS motherboard, it has a CPU max support of Intel Core i9 with LGA1200, and it has an Intel Z590 chipset, and for the DDR4 memory overclocking and compatibility, which are 5133 OC, 5000 OC, 4800 OC, 4600 OC, 4533 OC, 4400 OC, 4300 OC, 4266 OC, 4200 OC, 4133 OC, 4000 OC, 3866 OC, 3733 OC, 3600 OC, 3466 OC, 3400 OC, 3333 OC, 3300 OC, 3200 OC, 3000 OC, and 2933 JEDEC, 2666 JEDEC, 2400 JEDEC. 2133 JEDEC MHz for non-ECC, unbuffered memory, and this motherboard has a 4 DIMM slots with dual memory channel, and it has a 128 of max memory GB, and it has a 3 M2 slots and 6 SATA 3. And for the overview features on this motherboard, which are 2 USB 2.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 Type-C, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2, Intel i225V 2.5G Ethernet, 8CH audio, 1 PCIe 4.0 3.0 by 16, CPU, 1 PCIe 3.0 by 16, PCH, at/by/4 mode, with a SUS-safe slot, Realtek S1200A. Pro-Cool connectors, 2 addressable Gen 2 RGB headers, 2 RGB strip headers, Dr. MOS, Aura Sync, DDR4 5133, max of OC, MHz, ASUS Optane M2 Intel socket LGA1200, for 11th Gen Intel Core, processors and 10th Gen Intel Core, Pentium Golden Celeron processors, 1 front USB 3.2 Gen 1 header, 1 front USB 3.2. Gen 1 Type-C port, 1 M2 22110 PCIe 4.0 by 4 mode, 1 M2 22110 PCIe 3.0 by 4 and SATA modes, 1 M2 2280 PCIe 3.0 by 4 and SATA modes, Intel Z590 chipset, 6 SATA 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 headers, and 1 Thunderbolt header. The Realtek S1200A, which is exclusive DTS custom for gaming headsets, which is TUF Gaming audio covers, which are audio shielding dedicated audio PCB layers, premium Japanese audio capacitors. And this motherboard has a rock-solid performance features, which are power design, cooling, memory and storage, connectivity. The power design, which are driver and MOSFET, multi-layer PCB, power connector, system stability, and controller. The driver and MOSFET, which is the onboard VRM of TUF Gaming Z590 series motherboards, utilize 14+2 Dr. MOS power stages that combine high side and low side MOSFETs and drivers into a single package, delivering the power and efficiency that 11th Gen Intel Core processors demand. The multi-layer PCB, which is a 6-layer PCB design, which is a multiple PCB layers shift heat away from critical components, providing more headroom to push CPUs beyond stock speeds. The power connector, which is a Pro-Cool connectors, which is to enhance ATX 4-pin and 8-pin connectors, which are extreme durability and prevent hotspots and connector failure, which means is compared with traditional power inputs. Pro-Cool connectors are built to tight specifications to ensure flush contact with SU power lines. The resulting lower impedance helps to prevent hotspots and connector failure. The system stability, which is a TUF components, which are TUF chokes and TUF capacitors. The TUF chokes, which is a certified military-grade TUF chokes, deliver rock-steady power to the CPU, improving system stability. The TUF capacitors, which is a proprietary capacitors, provide up to 20% greater temperature tolerance and 5 times longer lifespan. The controller, which is a DG plus VRM, which is the integrated DG plus VRM voltage regulator module, VRM, is one of the finest in the industry, ensuring ultra-smooth and ultra-clean power delivery to the CPU at all times. The 1.6 times larger VRM heatsink, which is the extensive surface area of the large, high-mass heatsink, covers the VRM and choke to improve heat dissipation. The total surface area of the VRM heatsink is 1.6x that of the previous generation, which is it has a thermal pad, which is a high-quality thermal pads help transfer heat from the inductor and phase array to the heatsink, and for the 3 M2 slots with heatsinks, which is each M2 slot has a dedicated heatsink, keep the M2 SSDs at optimum operating temperature to ensure consistent performance and reliability. And it has a comprehensive fan controls, which is the TUF Gaming Z590 series motherboards feature comprehensive fan controls that can be configured via FansPort 4 utility or via the award-winning ASUS UEFI BIOS, which means as each header can be set to monitor and react to 3 user configurable thermal sensors for workload-based cooling, and all settings can be easily managed by FansPort 4 or via the UEFI. The PCIe 4.0 M2, up to 64 GB per second, which is the TUF Gaming Z590 series motherboards feature PCIe 4.0 M2 and NVMe SSD RAID support for an incredible performance boost. Create a RAID configuration with up to PCIe 4.0 storage to enjoy the fastest data transfer speeds on the 11th gen Intel Core processors. The DRAM overclocking performance, which is a DDR4OC 5133 MHz+, which means as revisions to the motherboard's trace routing provide the latest Intel processors with unrestricted access to memory bandwidth. ASUS Optane M2 technology carefully maps memory signal pathways across different PCB layers to reduce VIA and adds shielding zones that significantly reduce crosstalk. The connectivity, which are USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C and Thunderbolt 4 support. The USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, which is extensive USB support, ensures connections to a wide array of peripherals. TUF Gaming Z590 includes USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C that deliver increased bandwidth and transmission speeds of up to 20 GB per second. The Thunderbolt 4 support, which is the TUF Gaming Z590 series, feature Thunderbolt 4 support via an on-board header. With latest Intel certified ASUS Thunderbolt X4 add-on card, TUF Gaming Z590 can enable bi-directional speeds of up to 40 GB per second on a single cable. Additionally, this card has a daisy chain function for multi-screen connection and supports up to an 8K resolution display. It can also provide up to 100 watts of power to fast charge devices. And this motherboard has a easy PC DIY features, which are TUF Gaming Alliance, TUF Protection, and easy configuration. The Easy PC DIY, which is the TUF Gaming motherboards, are designed to be easy to set up and configure just the way you want, even for first-time builders. The TUF Gaming Alliance ecosystem makes selecting compatible parts easy, while Armoury Crate software offers full control of system settings via a single dashboard. TUF Gaming motherboards give you everything you need to build your dream gaming rig without adding complexity. The TUF Gaming Alliance, which is a build with confidence, which means is the TUF Gaming Alliance, is a collaboration between ASUS and trusted PC component brands to ensure compatibility with a wide range of parts, such as PC cases, power supplies, CPU coolers, memory kits and more. With more partnerships and components being added regularly, the TUF Gaming Alliance will continue to grow even stronger. The TUF Protection, which are safe slot, ESD guards, TUF LAN guard, DRAM overvoltage protection, and stainless steel back I/O panel. The safe slot, which is a safe slot, is the PCIe slot reinvented by ASUS and engineered to provide superior retention and shearing resistance. Manufactured via a new insert molding process, safe slot integrates fortifying metal for an inherently stronger slot, which is then firmly anchored to the PCB through additional solder points. The ESD guards, which is ESD guards, prolong the life of components while preventing damage from electrostatic discharge, providing protection for up to plus 10 kV of air discharge and plus 6 kV of contact discharge, greatly surpassing the respective industry standards of plus 6 kV and plus 4 kV. The TUF LAN guard, which is a TUF LAN guard, is a military-grade innovation that integrates advanced signal coupling technology and premium surface-mounted capacitors to improve throughput, protecting the motherboard from lightning strikes and static electricity. The DRAM overvoltage protection, which is on-board resettable fuses, prevent overcurrent and short-circuit damage. This extends beyond I/O ports to DRAM to safeguard the lifespan of your system and connected devices. The stainless steel back I/O panel, which is a TUF gaming motherboards, have a corrosion-resistant stainless steel back I/O panel bonded with chromium oxide to provide a 3 times longer lifespan versus traditional panels. With this protective feature, TUF gaming motherboards passed 72-hour salt fog testing, while other brands only passed 24-hour testing. The easy configuration, which are M2 Q-latch and Armoury Crate. The M2 Q-latch, which is the innovative Q-latch, makes it easy to install or remove an M2 SSD without the need for specific tools. The design employs a simple locking mechanism to secure the M2 SSD and neatly eliminate traditional screws. The Armoury Crate, which is Armoury Crate, is a new software utility designed to give you centralized control of supported gaming products. From a single intuitive interface, Armoury Crate lets you easily customize RGB lighting and effects for every compatible device in your arsenal, and synchronize them with Aura Sync for unit-ed system lighting effects. The software also provides control of settings for a select and growing number of products, including keyboard and mouse preferences, as well as laptop overclocking and fan speeds, making it easier to tune the look and feel of your system. Armoury Crate even features dedicated product registration and news areas to help you stay in touch with the gaming community. And this motherboard has immersive gaming features, which are networking two-way AI noise cancellation, gaming audio, and Aura Sync RGB lighting. The immersive gaming, which is the TUF Gaming Z590 series motherboards, provide a complete high-performance gaming package with a long list of features to improve your experience, including ultra-fast networking for smoother online gameplay, pristine audio with positional cues for FPS gaming, and onboard RGB lighting that syncs with attached accessories to help you create a personalized gaming atmosphere. The networking, which is it has an Intel 2.5 GB Ethernet, which is onboard 2.5 GB Ethernet, gives your wired connection a boost with speeds that are 2.5 times faster than standard Ethernet connections for speedy file transfers, lag-free gaming, and higher-res video streaming. And it has a Turbo LAN features, which is the Turbo LAN is a network optimization software for customizable packet prioritization. With CFOS speed traffic shaping technology, it allows you to configure application priority via an intuitive interface and reduces network lag. The two-way AI noise cancellation, which is this utility, leverages a massive deep learning database to reduce background noise from the microphone and incoming audio, while preserving vocals at the same time. This removes distracting keyboard clatter, mouse clicks and other ambient noises, so you can hear and be heard with crystal clarity while gaming or in calls. The gaming audio, which are exclusive Realtek codec, signal-to-noise ratio, and better audio effects. The exclusive Realtek codec, which is it has a Realtek S1200A, which are TUF gaming audio cover, high-definition audio, Realtek S1200A codec, and audio shielding. The TUF gaming audio cover, which is effective shielding, preserves the integrity of audio signals to ensure the best quality. The high-definition audio, which is a premium Japanese audio capacitors, provide warm, natural, and immersive sound. The Realtek S1200A codec, which is the ASUS exclusive codec, delivers an expansive soundstage and dynamic sound. The audio shielding, which is a separate analog-digital signal domains, significantly reducing multilateral interference. The signal-to-noise ratio, which is the unique audio codec designed in close collaboration with Realtek for TUF Gaming Z590 series motherboards, features an unprecedented 108 dB signal-to-noise ratio for the stereo line out and a 103 dB SNR for the line in, providing pristine audio quality. The better audio effects, which is a DTS custom for gaming headsets, which is hone your battle skills with exclusive DTS custom onboard audio. Utilizing advanced emulation techniques to create positional cues via stereo headphones, DTS custom takes onboard audio to a new frontier. With 3 presets: aerial, soundscape, and tactical for different genres, you'll have a distinct advantage in every game. The Aura Sync RGB lighting, which has outshined the competition, which means is a well-tuned system deserves a matching aesthetic. ASUS Aura offers full RGB lighting control with a variety of functional presets for the built-in RGB LED as well as strips connected to the onboard RGB headers. And it can all be synced with an ever-growing portfolio of Aura-capable hardware. And it has an addressable Gen 2 RGB header, which is the addressable Gen 2 RGB header is now capable of detecting the number of LED on second-gen addressable RGB devices, allowing the software to automatically tailor lighting effects to specific devices. The new header also offers backward compatibility with existing Aura RGB gear. So that's it for the ASUS TUF Gaming Z590-PLUS Motherboard.
Thank you so much for watching. This is AMPo Take, and I'll see you in the next video.